Hey folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 19 The Temple in Lower Largo. This picturesque seaside location is to die for. It is absolutely gorgeous. Welcome to paradise for anybody that doesn't know this area, because I'm going to take you around it and I'm going to show you the property as well. It is frontline seaside location. I am standing on the beach at Lower Largo right now. Let me give you a view of what I'm seeing right in front of me. Look at this, absolutely gorgeous. Right along the beach as well. It goes all the way around to Kincraig, the Ely as well, and you've got this beautiful front line view as we go all the way around. You can just pop down onto the beach anytime you want, all the way around here. Gorgeous, isn't it? Sits in the sun all day long. You'll see the sea, you'll see the seals, you'll see the dolphins, you'll probably see the whales passing as well. You'll probably see some, unique birds as well. There's a lot of twitchers that come here to take pictures of the birds that are here, because it's a very historic location. It's a very sought after location as well, and these properties don't come up very often. Perfect sun trap for sitting on the beach, by the way. Let's go up and look at the house. Picture postcard. If you could imagine a picture postcard location, this is it. And here we are there. Look, see there it is. I'm going to pull the camera back a bit so you can see it. Look at that. I'll just stand for a minute and let you see that. How gorgeous that house is. Beautiful. 4-bedroom, mid-terraced, period property, gorgeous inside, many original features as well, and an elevated back garden. Literally sits in the sun all day long. Sun trap towards the evening, sun trap in the morning, definitely. And then just in case it's a wee bit more blustery, you just pop in the front door and you could have a wee seating area in here. This is ideal, isn't it? And then that's what you're looking over to. We'll see more when we get up to that window at the top there. You've got bay windows as well with fantastic views up there. I'm so excited to show you this one. Let's go in. Let's go upstairs first and look at that first. So upstairs, a painted timber stairwell. The one thing I notice about this as well is some of the original doors in here and the way they all are, and some of the original furniture on the doors. But the first bedroom off to the rear here, good sized double bedroom, and a nice feature in there. Gorgeous, isn't it? So windows to either side to bring in a lot of natural light in here. There's a wee sneak peek at the back garden. Back garden's beautiful. And then it's got its own bathroom in here. One of the quirky things I love about these properties is the built slimline cupboards and that, which is just a nice quirky feature. But this is a beautiful luxury bathroom, isn't it? The controls in the right place before you get in the shower, so you're not going in and out. You just switch them on there, get the right temperature and walk in. Job done. One thing this has got is plenty of storage. So storage cupboard in here as well. And as we cross the landing, you see storage up at the attic there as well. This is considered currently utilised as a living room, sitting room, but this is the 4th bedroom if you want it to be. There's a living room downstairs, but it's probably because there's a nice feature when you look at that window, very picturesque. And some of the original features I love in here is you've got the original cornice in here, you've also got the picture rail, and then you've got the shelving that went across. This is the type of things you used to have, and then you've got this beautiful bookcase that was there. And then that fireplace over there as well. And a bit more modern feature to it is the addition of the solid timber flooring. This is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that coastline. Look at that. As I said, this is a brilliant walking route, cycle route, running route, jogging route, mountain biking route. You name it, it's great. And that looks right over. So we're looking right over there. Let me just see if I could zoom in on some features over here. So as I said before, over in this window, here's Kincraig, but it's Ely. Ely's over that hill. You've got the golf course as well over there. And then you've also got the, people know that it's originally as Shell Bay. The Bass Rock is just in the background over there, as we can see. And as you come along, You've also got Berwick, North Berwick Law. I'll just zoom in over there. Just over that roof, North Berwick Law over there. Beautiful features. The coastline is a wee bit overcast over there in Edinburgh, so you've got Leith and Edinburgh as we go around on a clear day. On New Year as well, you can see the fireworks going. You can also see the ski slope over in Edinburgh on the hills. But you can look at the coastline across here, as we go across here, as we go right along. Absolutely beautiful. Golden sandy beaches, by the way, over here. You can see that yourself as we go around. There's some beautiful places to sit. And as we look back in this room, let me tell you a wee bit across to the side here. This opens up into a dressing room, so it's used for the bedroom next door. It could be a Jack and Jill ensuite if you want it to be. It depends how you want to repurpose this room, if you want to continue to use it as a sitting room, or if you want to change it into a fourth bedroom. So good sized double bedroom next door. Again, same features. You've got that ornate cornice with the shelving, press cupboard for storage on the side. One of the things I love about this is some of the windows have the original shutters in here. So the timber shutters as you close over, just to block out the light, because there's a lot of, well, why would you want to block out the sunlight, to be honest? I certainly wouldn't. But hey-ho, probably in the days when it was originally built, they will have had that, because they'll have had single glazing in here, and this is all double glazing in here now. So you don't really need to have shutters to block out the wind and stuff. So this is currently utilised as a dressing room, nice big deep dressing room area. Again with the shutters on the window. Could be a home office if you want it to be, or as I said, you know, you never know, you might want to change it, and if it's possible, into a Jack and Jill ensuite. Right, let's go down and look at the final bedroom. Good sized double bedroom, again to the front there, there's that wee sun trap over there, and they've got the original shutters on the doors, on the windows itself. Again, this wood flooring, and you've got your own ensuite luxury shower room. Love that metro style tiles. And your walk-in shower enclosure. Go in here. And then, this could be a self-contained unit for someone. So if somebody wants one level living, if you've got an extended member of the family living with you, they want one level living, they've got their own bedroom here and they've got their own shower room there as well. And then they've got easy access into the main living room and then off into the dining area as well. Understairs cupboard for storage. You can see the picture rails being utilised here. Big, huge reception area. Sitting room, living room, and dining room area. And again, these beautiful views over to the front, over the Firth of Forth. Going to see them from the back of the garden as well, because it's got an elevated tiered garden, sits in the sun all day long. And as we come into the dining kitchen, breakfast table and chairs there just now, but I think you could probably easily put a dining table and chairs in there. I think you can comfortably get that in. You've got plenty of storage all the way around, your oven hob extractor, and then you come round, you've got your 1.5 sink and your dishwasher there as well. There's a laundry across to the side there with a separate door which opens and shuts, pantry there as well, and space for your freestanding fridge freezer if you want. And then you've got these beautiful patio doors that open out to the courtyard to the rear. So we're going to pop out just out this door, because I'm going to show you there's a WC downstairs as well. So downstairs WC, and then again you've got storage under the stairs there. And then we're going to pop out the back door. This beautiful garden. Literally the sun is teeming in here. And what I love about this is the beautiful stonework. It goes all the way around on the walls, all the way around here. And that whitewash that's there as well. This is a perfect enclosure. You know, if you're wanting to keep away from the elements, I mean, it's difficult to say. I don't think you're going to have it up there. You're going to have a wind up there because it's nice and enclosed as well. But you can see easily here how you can have a barbecue area here, and you've got your courtyard area over here for sitting. And you're nice and protected, and the sun is beating down. We're sitting at 11 o'clock right now. There's 12, that is south facing. So this house is mainly south facing, right over the beach. whenever you get a chance to get a seaside location, you really have to jump at it, because they don't come up often. They're very, very sought after. And as we go to this beautiful tiered garden, mainly laid to lawn up at the top, but when you see the sheer size of this house as I pull back here, that's a big house. You've got a pen to the side to get access for your any stuff to get in through the back to the garden. Nice and elevated. You can see it's perfectly positioned for the sun. As we come all the way back here, and all the way back into here. Sunroom, ideal, isn't it? Because the sun's sitting up there. As I said, we're sitting about 11 o'clock, so it comes up over here, so that's the perfect place in the morning, where you've got all the sun coming into your kitchen, into your courtyard area to the rear there. Nice wee table and chairs there, sit in the sun, have a wee coffee in the shade, and enjoy yourself. And then it comes all the way around, so you can see the coastline over there. If I go up to the rear, see the coastline? I'd be tempted to put a bit of decking over here just to raise it a bit more, to get more of an elevated view over there, but you can see comfortably right over there in the background towards the sea. And you come over to your sunroom. Home office, ideal, right up the back of your garden. What a location. What a location. Let me take a seat in this step and give people an overview of what's here for the people that don't know. First of all, welcome to God's country, everybody. Paradise awaits. What are you waiting for? Just click on the link above or below and get cracking, definitely. For people that don't know the area at all, okay, so I've explained we're right coastline, front seaside and beach location. We're on the coastal path, and it goes all the way around Fife on the perimeter towards Ely. It goes all the way back to Leven and London Links as well. Great local pub here, great local restaurant, the Crusoe Hotel. You've got the Railway Tavern across the road. You've got the wee Premier store in between as well for your convenience. You've got a great local primary school here as well. There's a lot of amenities. You've got a bowling club, you've got a tennis club, you've got the golf course, the London Links golf course, which is a historic golf course. It was an open qualifying golf course as well. And then you've got the London Links Ladies, which is one of the oldest ladies golf courses in the world, actually. So you've got a lot of great golf courses. Dumbarton Links is just up the road. Leven Links is just down the road as well. Leven train station is about 2 or 3 miles down the road, and that goes directly into Waverley in Edinburgh. So if that's where you need to go, and you work in Edinburgh, this could be the ideal location for you. Why would you want to live in the city and be in that tight location and have everything so crammed in if you could live here? Think about that. Just pop out for your lunch to the beach. I'm just going to go for a swim. I'm just away for a swim in the morning. You don't need a swimming pool. You've got it right on your doorstep. Open water swimming's a big thing here. There's a lot of groups here as well. Sailing is a real great thing here as well. You've got the Largo Sailing Club. And then you've also got the arts and crafts. Largo Arts Festival's coming up. It's very, very community orientated in this area. Village life is at its best, definitely. As I said, the local primary school is fantastic as well. High school is located at Wade Academy in Anstruther for anybody that needs it. One of the top performing high schools in Fife itself. My daughter went there as well, and it was a really fantastic school, and it still is, to be honest. And you've got access into the East Nuke area and further afield. But as I said, back in the main shopping facilities you can get in the superstore at Sainsbury's, you've got Argos, you've got B&Q and all the rest of it just down the road, and Leven itself with the train station alongside that as well. Check out the drone footage on here if you want to see more of the location and what paradise really looks like. If you need more information, you can click on the link above or below for the photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.